I'm coming to you with another video here, and this time I decided to come outside and show you this rain. Luckily enough for me, I get to stand on top. I get to stand underneath my porch that I just had that me and my father redid. Me and my father redid we redid the roof above here. This roof up here. We basically took the shingles off and put some covering over top of it as a temporary fix for now until I'm able to afford a better roof. But at least it's better because this whole roof before, when I bought the house, just completely got rained out, so it wouldn't have made a difference whether or not you were underneath the porch or out in the actual rain. But figured I'd give you a little look at things as they look out here. See if you could see the rain. Maybe not with this camera quality. It looks like you might be able to see the puddles out there. It's raining, I'm sure you probably hear it. Yeah, you gotta be hearing it. The audio meter thing on this thing picks up the noise of the rain. Oh, there's my car. Oh, there's the rain. You can see it there dripping down. Coming off the roof right here. As I get to walk around, you get to see what's going on behind me. Yeah, because I'm watching the screen. The thing gives, when I record, it gives you a little video feedback. So yeah, this is a little bit of the rainstorm ordeal going on out here. Yeah, this seems like the best shot right here of the rain. As you can see it coming down over my shoulder right here. Yeah, rain's coming down pretty good. Good thing I fixed this porch so I can actually stand underneath it. Yeah, here seems to be the best shot. As you can see the rain there. Our little home. Well, that's that for the rainstorm.